What's going on, traders? It's your boy Matt, back at you again with another quick tutorial video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to put stop loss on Tradezero. The first thing you want to do is you want to get your level 2 window. All right, so this will be your level 2 window on, as you guys can see right here, I have 3,000 shares long position of BORR. So let's type the ticker name, BORR. So you have the ticker name, and this is the chart. This is what it looks like. This is where I bought it. So I'm holding this for a swing position for possible break over to the 150 area. Anyway, so right now this is what you see. It's aftermarket, so you cannot put. One of the things you have to understand is you can't put a stop loss pre-market or aftermarket. You can only do stop losses during market hours. It wouldn't work, but I'll show you how to do it anyway. So this is your level 2. This is where you put in the amount of shares. So right here, you can see I'm in 3,000 shares. This is where you change what kind of orders you want to put in. And right here, this is the route. But for Tradezero, they don't have any other route, so it's simple. This is time enforced, meaning that what time do you want the order to execute? Day means for that day. GTC means good to cancel. So until you canceled it, that order would stay there, so on. So let's go stop loss. So you have two kind of stop losses. You have market stop and you have limit stop. Let's talk about market stop. Market stop means you put a stop price. So let's say you wanna stop out. So I bought this thing at 99 cents. And I don't want this thing to go any lower than this. So let's say my stop loss would be at $1.04, right? So the way I do that is I'll come here. Let's try the market stop this time. So you have two kind of stops. You have market stop and you have limit stop. So click on market stop and I'll put the stop price at $1.03, right? Now if I click sell at this point right now, what it would do is if the price drops below $1.33, it would automatically sell my position, right? But I don't get to choose the price that I'm going to sell it at. The next one is limit stop. Now limit stop will be this one here. So let's say I don't want this thing to drop below 4 cents, right? So what I would do is the stop price would be 0.5. The stop price is where the order triggers, right? So as soon as that price hits, the order triggers, and then you get to set the price that you want to fill at, right? So let's say this one is 1.05 or 1.06, and let's put in the price at 1.05. So meaning as this thing is coming down, when it hits 1.06, it would automatically send out my sell order for 0.05 cents. That's when the order triggers. So the order trigger would be the stop price, and the price you set out would be where your order executes. That's for the limit. For the stop, you just put in the stop price, which means the trigger. So in this case, let's put it let's put it 1.06, just like before. So if we put it 1.06, it means when the price has fallen and it hits 1.06, I would have a market order sell for 3,000 shares, which means I don't get to decide what price I'm going to fill. I might fill at 99 cents, I might fill at 0.02, I might fill at 0.01. I don't know where I'm going to fill, but I know for sure that I would have a sell order out when that one is when the price falls below and below $6. That's how you put a stop loss for Tradezero broker. Thanks, guys.